Have you ever wondered what it's like to walk through the streets of Istanbul? Welcome to a city where history and culture are woven into the very fabric of its existence. Istanbul, a city that effortlessly straddles two continents, Europe and Asia, bridging the East and West both physically and culturally. Let's take a stroll down memory lane, shall we? Istanbul was once known as Byzantium, a name given by the ancient Greek colonists in honor of their king, Byzas. As Byzantium, it served as a crucial trading point along the Silk Road connecting the East to the West. But the city's narrative didn't stop there. It was later renamed Constantinople, the city of Constantine, in honor of Emperor Constantine the Great. Under his reign, Constantinople flourished, becoming the capital of the mighty Eastern Roman Empire, also known as the Byzantine Empire. The city's golden age was marked by the construction of architectural wonders such as the Hagia Sophia, an awe-inspiring testament to the city's rich historical tapestry. Fast forward to the 15th century, Constantinople fell to the Ottoman Turks and became Istanbul, the capital of the Ottoman Empire. The city embraced its new identity, becoming a melting pot of cultures, languages, and religions. From the resplendent Topkapi Palace to the majestic Blue Mosque, Istanbul's skyline is a testament to this diverse cultural fusion. Even today, Istanbul continues to captivate with its unique blend of the old and the new. One moment you're wandering through the bustling Grand Bazaar filled with the aroma of spices and the vibrant colors of Turkish crafts, and the next, you're sipping on a cup of traditional Turkish tea while overlooking the modern cityscape from a rooftop cafe. So you see, Istanbul is not just a city, it's a living, breathing storybook, each page filled with tales of emperors and sultans, of conquests and culture. And the best part? This is just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to discover about Istanbul. Imagine stepping into a time machine and traveling back to the height of the Byzantine and Ottoman empires. Welcome to Sultan Met, the historic heart of Istanbul. This district is a treasure trove of significant landmarks, a living museum that encapsulates centuries of history. At the heart of Sultan Met, you'll find the spectacular Blue Mosque, a testament to the grandeur of Ottoman architecture. Officially named the Sultan Ahmet Mosque, it's known as the Blue Mosque due to the 20,000 hand-painted blue tiles that adorn the interior. It's not only a place of worship but also a symbol of Istanbul, an architectural marvel that has stood the test of time. Then, there's Hagia Sophia, an architectural masterpiece that has served as a cathedral, a mosque, and now a museum. Its massive dome has dominated the Istanbul skyline for more than 1,000 years. The Hagia Sophia is a symbol of the city's layered history, a testament to both the Byzantine and Ottoman empires that once ruled here. Its stunning mosaics and ornate calligraphy capture the essence of Istanbul's rich cultural heritage. Not far from these iconic structures, you'll find the Topkapi Palace, the grand residence of Ottoman sultans for nearly 4 centuries. With its opulent courtyards and stunning views of the Bosphorus, the Topkapi Palace is a window into the lavish lifestyle of the Ottoman elite. Today it serves as a museum, housing a vast collection of precious artifacts, including the famed Topkapi dagger and the Kasici diamond. These landmarks are not just idle monuments of the past, they are living, breathing entities, each telling a different chapter of Istanbul's storied history. The intricate designs, the towering domes and the grand courtyards, each brick, each tile, each piece of marble whispers tales of empires, of sultans, of battles won and lost. Sultan Met is not just a district, it's a journey through time. A walk through its cobbled streets is a walk through history, a sensory feast that leaves one with a profound sense of awe. Sultan Met is a living testament to Istanbul's rich past, a place where history comes alive. Now imagine crossing a bridge and finding yourself on a different continent. This is what you experience when you venture into Karakoy, the pulsating heart of Istanbul's Asian side. Karakoy is a bustling district, a melting pot of cultures and a hub of activity that never seems to sleep. Here you can lose yourself in the labyrinth of the market where the air is filled with the aroma of fresh produce, aromatic spices, and the tantalizing scent of street food. The market is a sensory overload of colors and sounds with vendors hawking their wares from fresh fish and fruits to textiles and trinkets. Just a stone's throw away from the market, you'll find an array of trendy cafes. These spots are the perfect places to take a breather and immerse yourself in the local culture. Whether you're a coffee connoisseur or a tea enthusiast, these cafes serve up a delightful mix of traditional and modern beverages that cater to everyone's taste buds. Of course, a visit to Karakoy would not be complete without a leisurely stroll through Moda Seaside Park. This slice of green space is a haven of tranquility amidst the urban hustle. It's a favorite spot for locals to relax, picnic, and enjoy the stunning views of the Bosphorus and the city's iconic skyline. While Karakoy is a hub of modernity, it's also a testament to Istanbul's ability to balance tradition and innovation. The district is a living tapestry of history, where Ottoman-era architecture stands shoulder to shoulder with contemporary buildings, creating a beautiful contrast that's symbolic of the city itself. In Karakoy, you'll also notice a distinct cultural difference from the European side of Istanbul. This side of the city exudes a more laid-back vibe, a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of the European side. It's a testament to Istanbul's dual identity as a city that straddles two continents, each with its own unique charm. Karakoy represents the modern, vibrant side of Istanbul, a place where tradition and innovation coexist. It's an enchanting district that invites you to explore and discover its many wonders. So why not take a walk on the Asian side and experience the magic of Karakoy? Ever thought about haggling for a Persian rug or sipping tea with a merchant while shopping for spices? Welcome to the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world. Nestled in the heart of Istanbul, this bustling bazaar is a labyrinth of over 4,000 shops, each brimming with a myriad of treasures. Here in the Grand Bazaar you'll find everything from hand-painted ceramics and lanterns to finely woven carpets and intricately designed jewelry. And of course, let's not forget the spices. The spice market, also known as the Egyptian Bazaar, is a feast for the senses, offering a kaleidoscope of colors, fragrances, and flavors. It's a must-visit for any foodie or home cook looking for that unique ingredient to spice up their dishes. But shopping in the Grand Bazaar is not just about the goods, it's about the experience. The art of haggling is a cherished tradition here, and it's all part of the fun. It's a dance of words and gestures, a friendly negotiation where both parties aim for a satisfying deal. Remember, it's not about getting the lowest price, but rather about the thrill of the chase and the satisfaction of a bargain well earned. And amidst the hustle and bustle, don't be surprised if a shopkeeper invites you to sit down for a cup of tea. It's a sign of hospitality, a break from the shopping frenzy, and a chance to learn more about the unique culture of Istanbul. As you wander through the narrow alleys of the Grand Bazaar, you'll find yourself immersed in a vibrant tapestry of sounds, colors, and scents. You'll hear the chatter of vendors, the clinking of tea glasses, the rustle of silk scarves. You'll see a rainbow of Turkish delights, the gleam of copper coffee pots, the intricate patterns of the kilim rugs. And you'll smell the intoxicating aroma of spices, the sweet scent of Turkish tea, the smoky fragrance of grilled kebabs. The Grand Bazaar is a sensory overload of sights, sounds, smells, and tastes. It's a shopping experience unlike any other. Istanbul, a city where two continents meet, where history and modernity collide. Imagine a city where the East meets the West, where the ancient rubs shoulders with the contemporary, where each street whispers tales of empires past, and every corner unveils the vibrancy of present-day life. This is Istanbul, a city of contrasts. Let's delve into the unique experiences Istanbul offers to its visitors. The city is a melting pot of cultures, where Byzantine churches stand proudly next to Ottoman mosques, where you can hear the call to prayer echoing against the backdrop of trendy cafes playing jazz. It's a place where you can wander through the labyrinthine Grand Bazaar in the morning, haggling over spices and rugs, and then spend your evening at a chic rooftop bar overlooking the Bosphorus, sipping on world-class cocktails. Istanbul's rich history is interwoven into its daily life. The city's historic sites, such as the Hagia Sophia and the Topkapi Palace, are not just tourist attractions, they're living testaments to the city's layered past. They stand amidst the hustle and bustle of the city, a constant reminder of the empires that once ruled here. Yet Istanbul is not just a city stuck in the past. It's a city that embraces the new while respecting the old. The city's modern life is as vibrant as its history is rich. You'll find cutting-edge art galleries, high-end shopping districts, and some of the world's best restaurants here. The city pulses with energy, from its bustling markets to its lively nightlife. Istanbul is a city of contrasts, and a city that never fails to surprise and delight its visitors. It's a city waiting for you to discover. Don't forget to subscribe to DeyaSoft World Tours for more breathtaking travel content. Let us be your guide to the world's most beautiful destinations. Hit the like button, share with your friends, and leave a comment to let us know where you'd like us to take you next.